Hey guys, so today I'm doing another PC build. This one's for under $900. It is a very good PC build for beginners. Even if you're a beginner, you don't even need to get this nice PC. This is just for people who want to get into like PC gaming and be able to run every game high settings 60 FPS easy. So yeah, let's get straight into it. First thing we got is a AMD 8 core 3.5 gigahertz, or actually, sorry, 4 gigahertz. It's pretty ridiculous. But yeah, Intel would charge you $1,000 for the equivalent. Intel would be way more optimized for gaming, but this thing will work with gaming fine. It's just not going to be as good as Intel, but it's still an 8 core processor. If you want to stream, record, do any of that stuff, as you can tell, my quality is horrible. That's why I'm going to upgrade to this soon. Uh, then we got a cooler for it, so we can overclock it to like 4.5 gigahertz. It'll be ridiculous. You can get water cooling and get it up to 5.1 gigahertz, which would be stupid, but you can. Then we got a GTX EVGA GeForce GTX 960 4GB superclocked gaming graphics card. This is a really good graphics card. I looked at the new MSI ones. They're good, but I'm pretty sure this will beat it out. They're around the same exact price. I would have gotten the 380, the MSI R9 380 by AMD, so it would have been AMD, but don't really care. Then we have a MSI 970 gaming DDR3 graphics motherboard. Sorry, but so you might want to just get a MSI one because everything in here is made by AMD pretty much, except for like all the gaming stuff, the processor, the graphics card. If you want to change that to MSI, it might run better. I don't really know. I think it'll just run the same, but the color will be matching better because this is a red motherboard. But honestly, it's a white case. The red case is $110, which I'm gonna get because I want to have a cool red and black color freaking scheme. So SSD is 250 gigabytes. That's plenty because you want to run your OS and download games and stuff on this. You're not going to really want to do anything else with it. Oops, didn't mean to do that. So anyway, then I got a 750 watt bronze certified power supply because that's all you need. It will do all the stuff you need and have a lot more left. So yeah, that's fine. And then 2 terabytes of hard drive space, just because you will need that for games that you don't really like, small games, videos, stuff like that. You want to store it on this. And then 8 gigabytes of GDR3. Sorry guys, I'm back. That took a little bit. If I need to get an editing software right now, I don't have one. But then there's 8 gigabytes of Crucial Ballistic Sport, plenty of RAM. Most games now take like 4, maybe very rarely 6 gigabytes, and that will be fine. You'll probably be able to record and stuff on this. I did have 16, but that's just $100, so drop the price a little bit by doing that. This is the $85 case I was talking about. I'm gonna get the black and red version. You guys probably will want to do the same, but this is $890-ish, $80 technically, but yeah, this is a great PC build. Honestly, I'm gonna build this because I like freaking building sick stuff. There's see, $361 saved with this all the sales on the stuff. That's plenty. And then if you want, you can get this thing, which I get, but I'm not probably gonna do. I might do it. But yeah, that's my PC build. It's a really good PC build. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. See ya.